It's whānau. Look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau kua uru mai koe.
Hey, tēnā koe.
Tō mātou reo.
Kia au te manoariri, kia au.
Tō mātou tuku hohe.
So what up, ek wāra emojis there,
Tō
matua.
mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Tai ao tia.
Ko tahi atu. Mei haro. Hei! Tahi, rua, toru. Koina ke te tāhi.
E whakapono ana hau, maangi hei tohu te ao.
Mei haro. Ka rawe. Ki te mahi taki mātai, ka tēnā. Te tika, pakātu mai tō tanga. Mahi tika ana.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha i taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whia ko Pauri hei whakamana i taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Toki mai tātou ki tēnei kēmu ki Wanganui te awa kārangi me Counties Manukau. Tēnei a te awa kārangi e mau. Kākuhu Mā looking for the first points of this match. It's Counties Manukau. Oh, he's missed the first, the easy layup there, and Hutt Valley come up with it. Driving through the lane, it's good. 2 points. The first points on the board for Hutt Valley. Counties Manukau, a little floater. It rolls in. Hutt Valley, oh look at that, just splitting the defence. Now driving. No good. Pool B action. Counties Manukau. Good possession here. Good steal. Hutt Valley get the turnover. Foul. Hutt Valley, Lamini. And the long ball is good. He kuru whiwhi toru. Foul. It's Brendan Polyblank, the former Tor Black, the coach of this Hutt Valley team. Counties Manukau just down by 2 points early in this first quarter. Hutt Valley. Polyblank gives it to Ikanasio. Gets it. Milan Ikanasio. Silky smooth spin move. And that drops. Counties Manukau. Julian Prokofiev. out. Kicks it out. Well, tie out. Second one is good. Real tail, set up. Go Matahi, go Matahi. Oh, good. Davis. Nice pass, silky smooth moves there on the baseline by Alexandra Davis. Kicking it out to the corner. Royal tail, spin move, good defence. Counties Manukova there. Stolen. And that's good on the baseline, the jumper. Timeout's been called. Kairunga Counties Manukau tēnei wā te kaumāru, ma ki te kaumātu. Mai, ngā kape rua ki te kōtēnei. Tēnei, kia o Kairangi. Good play. On the baseline. No good. Here. Out wide. Draws into the air. Good defence, Royal tail. Cutter down there. Sides against it. Canasio. Carrying. Noah carrying. Puts it up. No good. A foul. Kitataha. Counties Manukau. Davis. Carrion puts it up. It's there. It's missed. Very and clean. Counties Manukau have it. High shot, that's a good one. Brooklyn, Stininato for Counties Manukau. The high arc, the Dirk Nowitzki-like shot. Nails the three-pointer, and Counties Manukau have a healthy lead. Te kaumawaru ki te kaumatoro. Carrier. Polyblank. Kicks it to the corner. Canasio. Bounces up. Canasio again. Driving, spinning, getting it up. Got it. Oh, nice move. Still going. Yes. Alexandru Davis. There's Canasio. Kicks it out. It's there now for Polyblank. Puts it up. Polyblank just short. Nice crossover move there by Davis. Goes all the way with the left hand. Tipped. Picked up nicely by Julian Prokofiev. Huri nai nei, ki te awa kairangi ko Polyblank tēnei. E hāmene, ko mahu e te rā kuru. O reira ka haere ki te rārangi mo ngā kuru e rua. Good by Polyblank. Polyblank nails the second. Davis. Davis. Murira. Kia Russell. Ka Huria. Ka Kuru Engari. Hikoia. Travel on Russell, so turnover. Runga. A Counties Manukau rua te kaumarua ki te kaumawhiti. Polyblank. Neke whakamua ia. I roto i te paita. Ai, kua whiwhi kuru ea. Polyblank draws the foul. He goes to the line for a possible three-point play. Bounces out, they get the rebound. Hutt Valley. Driving to the paint. King kicks it out. Time ticking down. They need to put it up. And a shot clock violation. And a credit to the defense of Counties Manukau. Driving to the line, put it up, doesn't quite go in. Hutt Valley come up with it with Damon Campbell. Campbell looking for support, does well to get it away to Carrion. Carrion kicks it out, drives, the little floater's good. Damon Campbell. Davis in the paint, ka puta ki waho ki te kokonga, he kuru whiwhi toru kao kua mahue, kei reina tonu, mo Davis with the spin move, still going, one-hander! Wow, what about the moves on Alexandra Davis? Here comes Polly Blank. Turned over. Davis settles feet. It's been turned over. Carrion goes up for it, and he gets a fast break. Comes quickly, big spin move there by Prakazi, and it's been cleaned up. Nicely done, Counties Manuko. Te awa kairangi. Ko ngaro te poro. Ko whana ko pia kao. Kei reira tonu. Ko te awa kairangi. Te hamine. A foul has been called. And there'll be some fresh legs coming on. And that's James Michael Ibanez, who comes on for Counties Manuko. Goes to the line. The first free throw, the second one now. Coming up, that's good. Tino tata te awa kairangi. Kia Counties Manuko, ko te rua tukau mauno, ko te rua tukau marima. Ko tahi piro te rereketanga ki Wainganui e nei kapa i rua. Oh, turned over. Polly Blank, can he get it back? Yes, he's still got it. And they get it up. Can it drop? No! The offensive rebound was there, it was tipped. But turned over. Davis gives it out. Free ball, no good. King. Outlet pass to Berg McLean. Still got it. Passes it. It's there now for Bradshaw. Felix Bradshaw kicks it out. 11 seconds on the shot clock. That's with Polly Blank. Polly Blank looking for support. He drives now. Got an offensive foul on Kobe Berg McLean. Driving to the line, Davis, oh, second effort. Alexandra Davis with 1.1 second left on the shot clock. He goes to the line. No good, and that'll be quarter time. Kei runga a te awa kairangi, kau kei runga a Counties Manuko. Toru te kau, ki te rua te kau Māori. second quarter. Te awa kairangi tēnei Canasio. That's good. Hutt Valley first on the board, second quarter. Te awa kairangi, neke te koro, poly blank, ki te kokonga, looking for space to open up. Ikanasio drives, puts it up, no good. Turned over, Davis. So, Te awa kairangi, again, good ball movement, poly blank. Oh, good crossover move, opens up some space there on the left side. He drives baseline all the way through, and all of a sudden, Hutt Valley only down by one. Stripped away. Puts it up, drop down, kicks it back out. Now driving Ikanasio with the spin move and gets it in. Nicely done. A timeout already called early on in the second quarter. As Hutt Valley take the lead. Counts his manu coach back from the timeout. Neki ai te poro, mai tētai taha, ki te rātu taha, iwa he kona. Ki te karaka nei, Davis. Davis will have a go. 3 seconds, needs to put it up. The step back three is just short. Three, no good, Hutt Valley. Pop it out. To the outside, back to the top. Te awa kairangi. Spin move by Canasio, puts it up off the glass, no good. It's still there. Canasio fighting for it. Turned over. Ko huri anai nei kia Counties Manuko. E rere ana ia ki te rangi. And the fast break is good. Converted nicely by Grenadino for Counties Manuko. As Berg McLean kicks it to the corner. Carrion. Good defence. But a foul. Puts it up, that's good. Davis. Kaiaia Te Poro. There's the screen. He moves into the paint, kicks it back out, but the pick and roll wasn't quite there. So, fast break, this time Davis, nicely done. The fake was spot on. Picked his timing really well. Nails that off the fast break. Tēnei a Ekanasio, tohu ana, tōna hoa, e neke whakamua ki roto I te paita. Tuapiro. Monaco only down by one. Good defence there by Polly Blank. His father is the coach of this side. And then Ekanasio played in the 3-on-3 Nationals earlier this year. There for Ekanasio, fakes it to Polly Blank, but then finds his teammate from the baseline. It was Dlamini, who was fouled on the way up, and he'll go to the line for two. Gets the second. And here comes Prokofiev does well. He's a hard man to stop. Got up really high there and was fouled in the process, so he'll go to the line. Been missed. Kicked out. And put up. And away. Good. And some substitutions come on for Counties Manukau. So Ikanasio will go to the line now. Hutt Valley up by 1 point. Whātako mātahi ki te whātako. And that's good. Yes, it's a nice jump shot there. E rua ngā piro o Counties Manukau. E neki ai te pōro. Kia te awa kairangi i nāi nei. Te haere ki raro, engari kua puta te pōro ki waho. Counties Manukau, 3 ball on the way. Just missed. But it's gone out of bounds by Hutt Valley. Still there for Counties Manukau, looking for support. They kick it out, driving to the line, but a shot clock violation, and that's testament to the defence of Hutt Valley. Now for Hutt Valley as they move the ball around Polyblank. Bounce pass. It goes out of bounds, so turned over. Missed. And here comes the 3 from way out, no good. Spin move. It's kicked out. Whaapaianga. Ekanasio. Kicks it out. And it's no good. That was Berg McLean, who did really well to hold on to that ball, and it still remains on the Hutt Valley side. Reira, ka makana ia te poro kia Carrion. Ka whiua ki te taha Polly Blank. Ke raro iho rā ngari kua puta ki waho. Out of bounds, and it'll be County's Manukau ball in the second quarter. So Russell drives it, kicks it out. 1.5 minutes to go. Hutt Valley up by 2. Nice fake. Russell kicks it out again. He kuru whiwhi toru kao. Kua mahue. Berg McLean keeps it alive for Polly Blank. Polly Blank with a crossover move, but it's been lost. And it's Davis with a fake. Gets it up in the end, and he's fouled. Polly Blank all the way into the lane. Does well, Polly Blank. Hutt Valley keep the 2-point lead as we inch closer and closer to half time. County's Manukau. It's here now for Pukazi. It's no good. Kazi, the first shot. Tēnei te kuru tuarua e whai ake nei. Kua whiwhi. O reira whātikau mauno ki te whātikau mauno. Berg McLean kicks it out. It's there now for Polly Blank. Crossover move is good. Passes it. And it's King, Logan King. He does well. And that'll be half time. Kei runga a te awa kairangi whātikau mawaru ki te whātikau maono. Kua timata tēnei wāhanga tuatoru o te kemu nei ki Wainganui. I te awa kairangi me Counties Manukau. 3-point attempt is no good. The foul's been called by the looks of things. Holly Blank kicks it out, down to Ikanasio. Ikanasio drives, he gets it. Toke. Ramahi Miharo, Ikanasio. Ia haere ki te Pākete, whiwhi kuruwana. Ka hāmene ai, no reira ka haere ki te rārangi. O te hipiro e whai ake nei. Ko mahu e tērā engari. Kau. Tata noho ai te pōro ki te taha o te awa kairangi. It's Counties Manukau who will have possession. They're down by 4. Third quarter. Davis. Pass. Kuru 50 toru. Well, ko mahu e tērā. Naya King. Ka maka inaina kia Carrion. Carrion with the crossover. And another crossover. Spin move. Carrion puts up the turnaround jump shot. It drops. Noah Carrion. For Te Awa Kairangi Hutt Valley. Naya Prokokiev. Driving. Oh, big block. Goes out of bounds. Moreira, ka noho tonu te pōro I te taha o Counties Manukau. Davis. E kuru whiwhi toru. Kau. Reira, te awa kairangi, o Ikanasio tēnei, e kōkiri whakamuana, ka hoki ia ki runga rā, ka maka ki waho, kia Carrion. Kare kua huri te pōro, ko tai mai, ngā waiwai hau, a Counties Manukau. Davis. And a travel by Jeffro. Nothing. Rehan. Carrion. Gives it to King. King goes all the way. Rawe tērā hononga ki Wainganui, ia Carrion me King. Tēnei, a stine nato, ka puta te pōro ki waho raingari. E kuru whiwhi toru, ko mahue anō o Carrion. E neke whakamua ki roto I te paita. Ko Pulman, Tamini tērā. Nere ka puta atu ki Ikanasio. Carrion, e kuru whiwhi toru, kau. Huri, kia Counties Manukau. Anea, Natang Guihan. Kuruana. O kua whanako, ko Davis tēnei. Ko kōkiri whakamuana, kua kuru he hāmene hoki. Nō reira ka haere ia ki te rārangi. Davis will go to the line. Fouled on the way in. He's been a standout today for Counties Money. Tai mai, Roland, Felice, Te Awa Kairangi. Tēnei Alexander Davis. Te piro, Tuatoru. And one there by Davis. Polly Blink. Gets the ball up, no good. King. Putatu None kia Berg McLean! He kuru whiwhi toro! Atu I te kokonga. Kobe Berg McLean for Hutt Valley. Oh, nicely done! What a beautiful response that is by James Michael Ibanez. Tennis Logan King, who responds just like that. Counties Manukau. Granadino. Pops it out now to Spininato. Baseline's open. But a foul's been called. Te Hamene, Orera. Katuia ki te Rārangi. Ki te Titiroana. Ki te Pākete. O enei kuru. E rua e whaakena. Polly Blank. Back down in the corner, now Ikanasio. And a foul's been called on Davis for holding. Rima miniti e toi ana I tēnei wahanga tuatoru. Kei runga, a te awa kairangi ono te kaumātahi ki te rima te kaumātoru. I tēnei te whakataitai a motu mō ngā rohe huri noi te motu. Kei raro, I te kaumāwaru. Ngātau. And oh, good defence there by Davis. Making the stop. Now he drives hard on the fast break, sets it up. Nice assist by Davis. There's Polly Blank. Kicks it out to Canasio. Oh, good D, but it's still there for Hutt Valley. Kicks it out, it's still there. Berg McLean for another three, no good. Good offensive rebound by Felice. I reira Felice, tatari ana mo te poro. Atu I te rakuru. Ke reira tonu te poro. Kia Polly Blank, te kaumatahi, te kauhekona I toi ana. Engari he hāmene. Kia kiroto mai wahora. Ikanasio tēnā. Hutt Valley ball. Sub is made. Russell comes on for Counties Manukau, and so does Damon Campbell. Therefore, Polly Blank with the fadeaway jumper! That was Kobe-esque by Polly Blank. Davis. He's got it back, Davis. Weighing up his options, kicks it out to Russell. Russell doesn't connect. Polly blank. Sorry about the camera being slow. Canasio goes up, it's been missed. To the sideline there. Spin move by Granadino. Nice pass on the inside. And he's fouled on the way in. Julian Prokofiev, tērā, e hoki ana ki te rārangi. Tino kaha. Ona pukinga I roto I tēnei kēmu. Te teitei hoki, te tangata nei. Kua piro. Kokiri Whakamuana kicks it out. Three ball is good. Polly blank. Very dangerous. He's starting to heat up. Savion Polly blank. Davis kicks it out. Wedi kicks it back out for Davis. Davis has a little look at the basket. Spin move, puts it up. Fadeaway jumper, no good. Doug McLean, e Makapoto, ngari ko ngaro te polo, e hamine pia, e ai ki te kaua wau, te whakatau, ai, e hamine no reira ka haere ki te rārangi. Ono te kau mauno ki te rima te kau mauaru, te awa kairangi ki runga. Good. Kua miniti toi ana I tēnei wāhanga tuatoru. He runga a te awa kairangi ono te kau mā whitu ki te ono te kau mā tahi ko Davis tēnei. E kōkiri whakamiu ana ki te pākete. And a foul I think has been called. Polly Blank drives and fouled on the way. Good. So, he runga, a te awa kairangi ono te kau mā whitu, ki te ono te kau mā rua, o counties manukau tēnei ko Davis. E kōkiri ana ki te pākete, ke rā, he kuru, just missed, turned over. Over, no. Travel, yes. So it'll be Counties Manukau who will finish off this third quarter with possession. Davis. Kicks it out. Open three. Just bounces out. Still a minute or so left in this match. Foul has been called. Reira ka hoki atu ki te ratu taho te kōti. Kia Counties Manukau te pōro. Good. Davis setting things up. It's been missed, so Te Awa Kairangi, Hutt Valley have it. Put it up, no good. Kicked out, Polly Blank. He kuru whiwhi toru, Kau, Ahua poto tera, kei reira tonu te pōro, Te Awa Kairangi. O Louis Flamini tera. The response is good from John Granadino. Kuru whiwhi toru. Toru te kau hekona. Tēnei wahanga tuatoru. Flamini off to Polly Blank, he's lost it. Turned over, fast break. Oh, big block, it's off the backboard and nicely done there by James Michael Ibanez. Adding the extras. Polly Blank, long ball, it's been stolen, patted out of bounds. Ere kei reira tonu te pōro mō Te Awa Kairangi. Royal tie-out. We'll come back to the action shortly. And it looks as though it's quarter time, and it's Hutt Valley up 71-66 after the third quarter. Nō mahuki mai ki tēnei wahanga whakamutunga o te kēmu nei ki Wainganui a Te Awakairangi me Counties Manukau.
Just wait till you're back. Could you hold that there?
Apologies for the technical difficulties as we come into the back half here of the final quarter. It's Counties Manukau that are up. Maru te kaumā whitu ki te maru te kaumā rima. So it'll be Hutt Valley with Polly Blank. The inbound, it's Carrion looking to drive, nothing going there. Kicks it out. Good defence here by Counties Manukau. Polly Blank going, but he's well covered. The jump shot's no good. Kuhuri and Aine, kia Counties Manukau. Kia nei wā, maru te kaumā whitu ki te maru te kaumā rima. Stenanato. Kia Davis e neke, tatarawa ki te pakete. He maka ki raro iho rā. Engari kua huri ki te awa kairangi. Carrion tēnei. Maki naina ki Berg McLean, kaharia ki te pakete, the circus shot. So close. Davis has it. Stenanato waits for the screen. Oh, the pick and roll didn't quite pay off. And we're in overtime. I'll just repeat. Apologies for the technical difficulties. Polly Blank nails it. We're all level. The technical difficulties earlier meant we missed the entire fourth quarter, but it resulted in a draw at the end of regulation time, so this is overtime. 2.5 minutes remaining, it's 87 all. And a timeout's been called. He paku wā whakatā mō ngā kapa e rua. Waru te kaumā whitu ki te waru te kaumā whitu rua. Me te hawhe miniti e toi ana i tēnei wahanga whakamutunga. First overtime. 2.5 minutes to go. We're all even. Nō reira, kua hoki mai ngā kapa e rua ki te kōtinei. Kei te awa kairangi te pōlo. Carrion tēnei. Kei te rārangi, kua mahue te kuru tuatahi. Ko te kuru tuarua, the second free throw on the way here for Noah Carrion. Pressure cooker time, overtime. Hutt Valley County's Manukau 87 all to take the lead. Yes, Carrion. They're up by 1. Alexandra Davis. Davis. Dances. Still alive, Davis. Bounces out, he does well. Offensive rebound, 2 of them. Davis, he's still under there. And it's still there. Ko ora tonu te poro. Ke Counties Manukau. Te poro. Mau tonu rātou, te poro i tēnei wā, engari te kaumātahi heko nei toi ana. On the shot clock, 11 seconds remaining. Paku wānanga, te wanganui nei kauwawao i rua. He a te whakatau o te kauwawao. Timeout's been called again. Both sides go off and take a breather. Bit of confusion, but a good opportunity to regroup. Hoki mai ngā kape rua mai te paku whakatā. Davis tēnā ka pita tuki waho he kuru whiwhi toru kāko mahue. Engari kōro tonu te pōro. Kei reira tonu he hāmene. Ka haerea Prokoyev ki te rārangi mō ngā kuru e rua. He paku whakamohiotanga ki a koutou katoa e mātaki ana. Kei raro, a Counties manukau, ko te rerekētanga i tēnei wā, ko te kotahi piro. Kua whiwhi tērā piro. Nō reiro, ritinga, ta Tauranga i tēnei wā, warutukau māwaru ki te warutukau māwaru. It's 88 all here, Hutt Valley, Counties manukau. 2 minutes remaining. The second free throw on the way. And it's good, and Counties manukau take the lead. Hutt Valley. Carrion. Takes it to the basket. Ignacio's out there. He drives into the paint. Ignacio spin move. A foul. He's hard man to stop. Ignacio. Milan Ignacio will go to the line for 2 shots. And it's off the rim. In fact, it was the one shot for Ignacio. Davis to the top. It's Grenadino. Back to Davis. Out to the wing. Sinanato drives. Gets close to the basket. Gets his long arm up, but no good. Tauranga, te awa kairangi. Ki te warutukau maiwa, engari he hāmene a foul has been called, and they're in the bonus. And it'll be Kobe Berg McLean to the line. 2 free throws. First one is good, so they're up by 2 now. Second one is off. Good rebound there. Bounces Manuko. Kicks it out. Long 3. Oh, it's good! Wow! Counties Manuko. They take the lead just like that, under all sorts of pressure. Big pressure on D as well. And driving is Carrion, he gets it. It's John Granadino with that big 3. Kakuru Whiwhi Toru. Carrion hits straight back, and Hutt Valley still retain the lead. Davis kicks it out. It's Ibanez with a killer crossover. It gets fouled on the way into the lane. So Davis has a little look, just waiting for a screen, gets it, goes baseline, Davis, fake, oh, it's been stripped, and Hutt Valley come up with it with 35 seconds remaining. Carrion, I'll look to slow things down here. They won't want to risk too much here. Hutt Valley, they've got 15 seconds up their sleeve. It's Berg McLean, out wide, but a foul's been called. Rodriguez, and it'll be Polly Blank who will go to the line. 18 seconds left on the clock for Polly Blank TNA. Hutt Valley up by 1, that's just missed. So he'll want this one. Hutt Valley will be praying for this one too. Kua mahue ngā kuru e rua. Au we, engari, kei reira tonu te pōro. Mo te awa kairangi. Tēnei te kuru tua toru ki te rārangi nei. Te kuru whakamutunga. Kua whiwhi, no reira kei runga a te awa kairangi. Iwa te kaumā whā ki te iwa te kaumā rua. "23 seconds on the game clock. Ignore the scoreboard on your screen. 23 seconds remaining. Davis brings it up. Needs support. Good defence by Hutt Valley. Big pressure. Oh, big fake. Oh, it's just short. Rebounded Hutt Valley. There might be enough. Carrion puts it up. There's a foul with 5 seconds on the clock. It's not over yet. E te wānanga ngā kaua wao, he ha te whakatau, tokorua, o i rua ngā kuru, e whai ake nei, ki te rārangi. So a foul's been called and there's 2 shots and it'll be Carrion to the line. And if he gets both of these, it should be enough to seal the deal. There's 5 seconds, there'll be 5 seconds remaining for Counties Manukau to come up with a response of some sort. But let's go straight down to the action. Carrion. Tēnei te kuru tuatahi ai kua whiwhi. O reira ko te tino hia. A Counties Manukau. Kia mahue ai tēnei kuru. A Carrion. Rima hekona. Oh, kua mahue. Rima hekona. 5 seconds remaining. Can they get it away? Counties Manukau, 1 second. The whistle's been called. A foul has been called. It'll have to be a quick one. Let's see. Oh, wow, what's the call here? A foul before the ball was passed and bounced. Both referees are just having a wee discussion. Is time up or not? Brendan Polyblank, the coach for Hutt Valley, is asking the question. They're reviewing. Oh, and it'll be one last play. It'll be Hutt Valley ball though. And they just throw it deep. And Hutt Valley, ko rātou ngā toa, iwa takau marima, ki te iwa takau marima. tēnei te kēmu whakamutunga o te rangi nei. I te wahanga o ngā tamatāne, e ko tērā, ko era ngā piro tuatahi o te kēmu nei, kia Tauranga. Ko Tauranga me Waitakere West. Me tākoro ana I tēnei wā. Oh, he kuru whiwhi toru. Nō reira, kia Tauranga te pōro. Ke kora te ārai a Waitakere West. Oh, big block. Big block there. And it's Christopher Delai-Bao. Well, he looks well over 6 foot for Waitakere West. Tauranga from the baseline. The jump is good. And that's Rome Mackay for Tauranga. Well, an electric start to this match between these two sides. It's Kent. A long ball to the other side of the court. Little fake. Going in. Missing. And turned over. Kia Tauranga te pōro I nai nei. He maka ki te taha matau. Ki te ora tonu. Ko Ziao Gao tērā. Lee. He hāmene. A foul has been called. Okay, baseline. Goes Xiao Gao, gets it up and it's good. Xiao Gao. Good defense here, double team. And almost turned over, it is Tauranga. Get the ball back. A long range three. Oh, kuru whiwhi toru. And that was Xiao Gao with a three-pointer. And again, the half-court trap is set, but Waitakere West managed to get it away. A good block, but right underneath there was Hakaraya, who lays it in. Mackay, off to Xiao Gao. Already shown the talents that he's got on the offensive end and the defensive end, and driving it to the line, to the lane, sorry, is Kahurangi Pene, who lays it in. And again, the full court press, putting all sorts of pressure on Waitakere West. Got a long ball out there to Delai-Bao, and yes, he finishes it nicely underneath the basket. And another full court press, this time by Waitakere West. Well, they're going to be puffing by the end of this quarter. And Tauranga, he kuru whiwhi toru engari kua mahue. Anei a Waitakere West, he kōkiri whakamua ana. Delai-Bao was in the lane there, and here's Kent. He kuru whiwhi toru, Liam Kent. Mairunga. Lovely. This Tauranga are up by one. And kua mahue tērā, kuru whiwhi toru. I tai ki roto I ngā ringaringa o Delai-Bao. Ko Hakaraya tēnei. Ka puta ki wahora. He kuru whiwhi toru anō. Ko kupa tēnā. Anei a Tauranga. Mackay. Oi, huri ana ia. He kuru whiwhi rua kāo kua mahue. Ngari ko te ahua nei. He paku wā whakatāpia. Ko ngaro te oro. No reira kare te tino mōhio. Hea te whakatau o te kaiwa wao. Ngari ke reira tonu te pōro mo Tauranga still have possession. Sorry about that, no sound. It's a little bit difficult to figure out what the calls are. But here's Mackay, baseline. Mackay drives to the basket, gets it up. And a foul, and he'll go to the line, Mackay, for two. He hāmene. Ko Rome Makai tēnei. E tū ana ki te rārangi mō ngā kuru e rua. The first free throw is good. Tauranga clawing themselves back into this one. And it goes out to McIntyre. E kuru whiwhi toru. It's raining threes here in this final match of day one of the New Zealand Under-18 Basketball Nationals. It's Mackay who drives it, and he's got the foul along the way, and he'll go to the line for an M1. Kiss the glass and into the basket. Rome Mackay's on fire. O katai tātou te kiti i ngā pukinga katoa i nei kapa e rua. Mackay, ai, kua whiwhi, tērā kuru, tuatoru. No reira ke runga Waitakere West, 11 ki te 15. Tēnei a Fletcher, Fletcher pops it out for another three-pointer. No good that time. So Xiao Gao has it. He gives it off to Mackay, who's got the hot hand. Mackay, three ball, on its way. Can it drop? No. Bounces out. Kent. Bit of physicality. Kent. Ki te rataha Maui. Fletcher. Ki raro iho rā. Kia Schwalga. The spin move. Tauranga. It's been tit for tat in this match here. Early on in this first quarter, Mackay could be in for a thriller here. The circus shot no good. Behind the back, pops it out. Driving to the basket. Nice little pass, but it's been intercepted. And away goes Fletcher. And it's there now for Schwalga. He tries to find his teammate, but it's been turned over. Mackay. A long rangey pass to the corner. Just misses. Waitakere West come up with it. Oh, that ball's just gone straight to the Tauranga player. So Mackay will have another go. And the Tauranga offense will reset itself. Pene. Kahurangi Pene. He makapoto tērā kia Xiao Gao. Ka hoki atu kia Mackay. Mackay puts it up. Off balance. And he's fouled. Mackay, so he'll go to the line again. Engari ko te ahua nei ka puta atu ia mo tētahi wā whakatakau ka noho ia ki te kōti. And hoko horn has come on for Tauranga. So Mackay gets the first one. He's a sharpshooter, Mackay. Ko tahi kuru e whai ake nei, mō Mackay. Kei raro tonu a Tauranga, engari kei raro mai te kotahi piro anake. Waitakere West really struggling to get out of their half, but they do well to get out of them. They've got support down low, and it's Hing who gets up with it. He's still got it. Hing. Hakaraya. Hakaraya has a go himself. Kuru whiwhi toru kau, just short. Tauranga. They're off to the races. Masters off the glass. Good rebound there by Melicia. A little spin move. Opens up the lane. Melicia looking for support. Finds Hing. It just comes off the board. Tauranga with Mackay. Rome Mackay. Controlling the offense beautifully. Mackay. And just floating the ball up. But it didn't quite have enough to go in. And on the fast break, it's Fletcher waiting. But a good block. Goes out of bounds, and Waitakere West will have 14 seconds on the shot clock. As as we have some new arrivals for Tauranga. It's Maxwell Lee who comes on, and a few others. And here's Waitakere West, Hakaraya off to Malaysia, back to Hakaraya. Good defence on him, and a beautiful screen opening up the lane. Hakaraya! Tauranga from the top, doesn't drop. That was Maxwell Lee who had to go from way out. Takare West, Ahing, Hakaraya. Hakaraya driving to the basket, looking for support in the corner. Reflected, still there. Tauranga might have it. No, Waitakere West with Malaysia with the left hand. Just short, whistle was blowing. And on comes Cooper McDade. Cooper. Driving. Oh, open lane. Takere West extend the lead. They deploy the full court press again. Good defence here by Fletcher. Tauranga do well. Slowly bring it up. Here's Lee. Back to Wilson. Wilson open lane. Gets high and it drops in. Tauranga. Not far off from Waitakere West. Rua Takau Marua ki te Takau Maiua. Cooper, spin move. Jumper, fading away, no good. Masters, short ball, Horn. Gives it to Wilson. Back up top for Masters. Masters goes to the left side. Nothing going there, goes back right. Spins, gets through the middle, splits the defenders and scores. Bo Masters at his best. Curtis Fletcher to the lane, kicks it out. Kuru Whiwhi Toru, Kyle short. Horn driving, giving it to Wilson, and he's been stripped of the ball. Goes out of bounds, and Tauranga will still have it. Taimai, a Goodwin, Rawako, Nicholas, Mac Goodwin, Iru, Nicholas come on for Tauranga, but a timeout's been called here. Paku wā whakatai tēnei wā. Ko tahi miniti e toi ana i tēnei koata tuatahi. Waitakere West ki runga rua tekau marua, ki te rua tekau mātahi. Back live, Tauranga. They have it. They go baseline. Oh my goodness. I think he almost flew there. That was Iru Nicholas, who's just come on. Waitakere West. Kia rātou te poro. E huri ana ia ka puta atu te poro ki waho rā ki runga rā engari. Kua puta ki waho ko te ahua nei ai. Sorry, we don't have any sound at the moment, so it's hard to know when the whistle's been blown. But a foul by the looks of it, just going by hand signals. And so it'll be Waitakere West inbounding the ball from the baseline. Cooper. Goes right. Kicks it out to McDade. McDade! 3 points. Cooper McDade. He too has only just come on. And they've got a lot of depth. Waitakere West in the shooting ranks. Nicholas. There it is for Tauranga. The crossover. Driving to the basket. Good offensive rebound. But another blow of the whistle and a foul. He hara. Kua pana. Nō reira ko wai. I hara. Aua. Engari. Kei te rārangi a kahurangi pene. O tēnei kuru. Tuatahi ai. Kua whiwhi. Kahurangi pene on the line for 2 free throws. And yes, gets the second one. Fletcher, Tauranga have a full court press defense. A nice little crossover move there. Oh, tried to look for Fletcher in the corner there. But it was like a bullet. The right idea. But again, that Tauranga defense holding up well. 20 seconds remaining in this first quarter. Tauranga will most likely have the final possession. In fact, it's 17 seconds. Looking at the game clock. Ko Nicholas Tera, if you are to kia Lee to the basket. Offensive rebound, but a foul. On Cooper McDade, number 63 for Waitakere West, and it'll be Maxwell Lee to the line for 2 to level things up before the quarter break. Whitu hekona e toi ana. There's only 7 seconds remaining once play is back live. Oh, he missed the first free throw, and here's the second. It's all good. 7 seconds for Waitakere West. Goes long, could be stolen here. It's still alive, and it's Ahing puts it up, and time is up. Ko tērā te mutunga o te wahanga tuatahi kei runga Waitakere West rua tekau mā rima, ki te rua tekau mā whā. No mahuki mai ki tēnei wahanga tuarua. Ke runga Waitakere West, ruatakau marima ki te ruatakau mawhā, he kuru whiwhi toru, kao. Ko mahu e tērā, ko huri naina ki a Tauranga. Tauranga have it. It's been an entertaining match so far, coming out of that first quarter. It's Tauranga. Yep, with Pene. And that's been turned over. Waitakere West have it. And the outlet pass is a good one. And to the basket with the left hand is Liam Kent for Waitakere West. Kia Tauranga te poro. Good defence here by Waitakere West, putting pressure inside Tauranga's own half. And there goes Nicholas. Just gliding through. Waitakere West. He makapoto tērā. Ke reira tonu te poro. Ko Kupa. E ora tonu ana he kuru whiwhi toru. Āhua poto tērā. Ooh, ko huri kia Tauranga. And new legs come on for Tauranga. It's Rome Mackay. He's come on to the court. And again, Waitakere West continuing with this full court defence. Lee, baseline jumper, just short. Oh, good attempt of an offensive rebound there, but it ends up in the hands of Waitakere West. Hakaraya, little crossover through the legs. Hakaraya, short ball into the lane, hard to stop, puts it up, no good. And looks as though there might be a... Not too sure what the call is here. Technical foul, perhaps. Oh, Waitakere West, it is helter-skelter stuff this match. From one end to the other, and both teams still look fresh. Here's Tauranga. Lee, a long-range three. Oh, it's good! Maxwell Lee! Tauranga extend the lead. Well, they take the lead, in fact. Waitakere West, look at them. Keeping it alive. Driving now, slowing it down. Hakaraya! Nice offensive rebound, almost tipping it in. But a turnover. Tauranga. Oh, they're hot now. They're feeling it. Kuru 50. Toto! Another three-pointer. Back-to-back threes for Tauranga. It's out there in the corner. And a three ball by Waitakere West is no good, but an easy rebound picked up by McIntyre. Kuru whiwhi toru. E toru ngā kuru whiwhi toru. I ēnei he kona toru te kaupea. Tauranga, drive to the basket. Does it drop? No, just missing. That was Rome Mackay. Cooper Gets out of trouble. Needs support. He drives it, but a foul has been called. Yeah, Paku wā whakatai 9-8, so timeout's been called. Tauranga up 35-34. Still alive by Takaria West. Cooper puts up the jumper, it's good. Foul has been called. Curtis Fletcher returns to the court. Trevor McIntyre will take a break for Waitakere West. Kia Tauranga te poro. Kia Makapoto. Ka hoki ki runga rā. Kia Makai looking at his options. He goes for the 3-point attempt. Oh, good offensive rebound. Falls into his hands. It's Maxwell Lee. Plenty of blue and yellow jumpers down there, but it's been turned over. And Waitakere West hits straight back on the fast break in the form of Curtis Fletcher, who's just come on the court. Lee. He Makapoto, ka hoki ki runga rā. Kia Makai through the legs, going left, looking right, passing to Pene. Pene goes back to Makai. There's 2 seconds on the shot clock, needs to get it up, can't. That's brilliant defense. Shot clock violation. Waitakere West, we're all over them. Now they get possession back with a 3-point advantage. Cooper. Put away the short ball on that right hand side. Good ball movement here by Waitakere West. Cooper goes into the middle. Kuru whiwhi toru kei te haere kau. Potorawa. Cooper again. Out to Fletcher. Fletcher drives, finds support. Underneath there's a foul. He nails the shot. Scholga. And he'll go to the line after being fouled on the way up. Apologies for that technical issue, but you've just come back with another three-pointer by Waitakere West, and all of a sudden they've extended their lead, 46-38. Crossover. Handling skills, Mackay. Good defence though by Fletcher. They're forced to pass it. A foul though on the way in. Oh, it drops too. So Xiao Gao will go to the line for a possible three-point play. Xiao Gao. Takere West, quick for 10-8. Tongiana to 49-8. Micha. Oh, bit of a miscommunication there by the two teammates. Ball popping out and ending up on the Tauranga side. Lee Kuru Whawhitoru! Maxwell Lee with a huge three-point shot. Absolutely drills it. And all of a sudden, Tauranga are only 2 points away. Driving to the basket. It's just short. Fighting hard. They've still got it. Waitakere West. They go back down low. Driving hard. And spinning and getting a shoulder. Oh, they get it back. Waitakere West. Cooper looking for support. Kicks it out. Smelasia looking for support again. Down low. Schroger fighting hard. Oh, a lot of physicality and a travel. Oh, this match has had everything. Okay, Tauranga te poro. Pita ki waho. Nā wai te poro. Te pātai nui. Nā ki te kaumawao. Ka noho tonu ki te tā o Tauranga. Still there for Tauranga. There it is, Lee. What's he blown? Subs still coming on. It's on the other side of the court. So we've got Lee and Masters. Masters gets it. He's stripped. Lee. Directing play. Kicks it out. And it's put up. No good there. Waitakere West. Get the ball back. Wide open. And it's Ahing who finishes off that fast break for Waitakere West. A long pass to Wood Smith. Kicks it out. Just finds Masters. The crossover move into the paint. Kicks it out to the corner. It's a three ball coming. No good. Offensive rebound. Masters kicks it out. Fraser. Fraser! Nails the three-pointer. He kuru whiwhitoru anō. For Waitakere West Kirunga. Rima tekau ki te pātekau mā whitu. And a wide open three-pointer shot on the way. Bounces out. And Tauranga get it. Good rebound there by Masters. Here's Lee. Lee into the paint. Lee off the glass, kisses it, and it goes in. Waitakere West, Fletcher all the way. Nice little pass. Almost finishes it. Gets the offensive rebound. with Liam Kent. Oh my goodness. This is a fast-paced match. Foul's been called. 25 seconds left on the clock in the second quarter. Kahikoi, MāORI, ki te rārangi, Piro. So we're just trying to figure out what's going on here. There's a lot of discussion. Hopefully get back to the action shortly. The referees, I understand, are having a discussion maybe with the players. It'll be Waitakere West. It'll be the first free throw. That's good. Hakaraia. And now we'll go to Tauranga. Technical foul for both sides by the looks of things. The match is starting to get a little bit physical, but too physical there. MāORI. Attempt the free throw. Their end. Ka runga Waitakere West, let's go mā toru ki te whātukau mā iwa. Te mutunga ki o te pai o tēnei Kim. Tainoa ki te timatanga. O mai te timatanga tainoa ki te mutunga o tēnei wāhanga. Ngari ki te wānanga, taha wānanga i nei taua wau e rua. Kare te sino mōhio, hea te kaupapa nei. Ngari he paku wā whakatai nei nei mō ngā kapa e rua. Just trying to figure out what's happening here. And that free throw attempt finally got underway. First one's good. And the second one is good as well. Tauranga with the final play of the half. Sialkau drives, splits the defence, but he's missed it. Oh, it'll be a foul and 2 shots on its way. 12 seconds remaining. So good. The second one is also no good. Waitakere West. Only seconds remaining. Get it away to Hakaraya underneath the basket. Hakaraya's got it! And that'll be it for the second half, for the first half, sorry, we're at half time. Waitakere West are up. Rimatiko mawha, ki te Rimatiko. Rau mahuki mai tātou mā. Ki tēnei, te timatanga o te wahanga tuarua. Te hawhe tuarua me ki. O tēnei kēmu, ko Waitakere West me Tauranga. Huri, ki Waitakere West. I've got the ball. Waitakere West. So Hakaraia, a long pass. Little fake back to Hakaraia. Gives it out to that left side. Whistle's been blowing. A foul has been called. Hakaraia. Oh, it's been stolen. Tauranga with Wilson going all the way. Oh, but a travel's been called. The points don't count. Stays at 54 to 50. Takere West. Oh, ahua, Maruai te koro. Yari, yoki ana, Hakaraia. Tikina te koro. McIntyre driving, no good. Still there, gets it up, no good. Offensive rebound, no good. Tauranga. Survive. Kai down low to Pende, and it drops. Only just. Fletcher. Maka ki te tahara. Ki runga kia kit. Ka hoki atu ki te taha Maui. Driving, baseline. Galai Bao scoops it up, but a foul's been caught. So it'll be Fletcher that goes to the line. Fletcher nails the first. Pops out, still there for Waitakere West. Good offensive rebound. Hakaraia shaking and baking. Hakaraia. Kai. Roki atu ki te rātu taha. Pene. Oh, ki raro iho rā, beautiful. Te atahua hoki. O tērā. Defense by Tauranga, struggling to get out of their own half. Waitakere West. Nice little crossover through the legs, baseline, opens up the lane, has a second go, no good. Fighting hard in the paint. Takere West will have 8 seconds to put up a shot. Oh, nice pass, but it doesn't quite drop. Kuru Fifi Toru! Denley Zhaokao tēnā. Te kuru Whiwhi toru. Oh, kua huri te poro kia Tauranga. 57 all. It's been one of those matches. Nothing has separated these two sides right from the tip-off. Masters, the rebound. Kai drives, decides against it, looks for a pass down low. Oh, it's a scrap, and it's Zhaokao who gets it eventually. Kei runga Tauranga rima tukau mai, ua ki te rima tukau mawhiti. Tēnei a Waitakere West, and they go coast to coast, but it's off the the backboard. Oh, big scrap for the ball. Fletcher gets it. The hustle is real. Hakaraya for three. It bounces off the rim. It's there for Tauranga. Okay. Long ball, no good. Vaughan gets it back. Tauranga have another 24 seconds, got a foul on the way to the basket. He'll go to the line for 2 shots. It's just a bit short. Where's Zalgal? So I think we still have another quarter to go. Denley Zalgal at the line for the second free throw. That's good. Baseline, the spin move, opening it up. Yeah! Well, he's in form, Hakaraya. He's on fire. And he goes to the line for a possible 3-point play. Pushing up hard. Goes down low. Oh, just losing position. Waitakere West, Fletcher with the crossover move, opening it up. Fletcher, nice patience showing. Doesn't quite drop, and Tauranga get the rebound. And they're off to the races. Zalgal drops it. There's Hakaraya. Little Euro step. Been stripped. He got it back. He has a second attempt, and it's good. Masters. Still there. Masters. Toru for Victoru. Kyle. So looks like it'll still be there for Tauranga. Yes. 14 seconds on the clock. Horn. 8 seconds remaining. Good defense here by Waitakere West. Masters with the pass. Miscommunication turned over. Testament to the strong Waitakere West defense. And that's good as well. Tauranga is feeling it. Ko neke whakamua Waitakere West. Ono tekau mā whā ki te ono tekau mā rua. Kia whaku wā whakatāi nai nei. So a timeout's been called. Tauranga couldn't quite get to the basket there. It's Waitakere West on the fast break. And that's Hakaraia again. Doesn't quite drop this time. Kai gives it to Lee. Pops it to Love. Now it's with Valgal. Gives it to Horn. Good ball movement here from Tauranga. About 3 seconds to put it up. The floater off balance and turned over. Takere West with a 2-point lead, and Hakaraia will go all the way. Pretty handy lead now, 4-point buffer for Waitakere West. Continuing on tēnei kēmu. Kei mua, kei muri, kei mua, kei muri. E nei kapa, e rua. As that shot is no good. Picked up by Cooper for Waitakere West. Check it out. That back down low to Fletcher. Driving it into the paint there is Schroger, using his size, his power, and his strength. And he earns a foul. Goes to the line. Toru miniti e toi ana I tēnei wahanga tuatori o te kēmu nei. Te wahanga anō kei te whai ake nei, te wahanga whakamusinga. Tēnei wā ko te ono tekau mauno ki te ono tekau marua. Kei runga, ma Waitakere West. Te rapea mo te wā, paku anake no te mea. Ko te ahua tēnei kēmu. Ko tēnei hea, te whakaihu waka. E hea ngā wā, I aua. The amount of times the lead has changed in this match. Schroger gets the first free throw. To extend the lead out to 6. He does it. Squeezing Tauranga a little bit now. Fatigue will no doubt start to creep in for both sides. So Mackay. Lee with a three-point attempt. Good offensive rebound. And kissing the glass and in. That's Hoko Horn. Good heads-up play. Keeping Tauranga in the match. Cooper. Short to Hakaraia. Back to Cooper. Good screen there. Cooper from way out. That's Steph Curry-esque. Way beyond the three-point line. Cooper drills it. Fitu Takoma take Te Ono Takoma far. It's stolen. And away goes Malaysia. Good pass. Fast break. And up she goes. Schroger, no good. Tauranga ball. Schroger made to work under there. Brilliant defence by Tauranga to contain the big man. Down low, it's hard to stop between him and Hakaraia or Waitakere West. They've been shaking and they've been baking all day long. Kai, crossover, driving, puts it up with a one-hander, no good. Outlet pass. Malaysia kicks it out to Cooper. A little fake on one side, goes the other, into the paint. Cooper, soft hands. No good, stays alive. Tauranga come up with it though. Around the back. By Horn. Horn gives it to Penne, driving, kicks it out. Good hands. Up it goes. Lee! It doesn't count as a travel, but it looked good. Te piwari hoki o tērā kuru. Engari anō. Ia ki te kaiwa wāwi hiko ia. Nō reira ka huri te pōro kia Waitakere West, kei runga rātou whitu tekau mā tahi, ki te ono tekau mā whitu. Kupa. Still out, in fact it was a good shot from outside. Cooper, that's 2 in a row for him. Pennick. Lee, step back. And rebounded by Waitakere West. Malasia driving, but there was a blue and yellow wall in front of him. Oh, the crossover behind the back. Oh, and the layup and the pump on the way to the basket. Wow, that's a brilliant individual effort. But it started from that brick wall of a defence on the other side. Cooper. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Puts it up. No good. Horn. 14 seconds left in this third quarter. Lee. 8 seconds to go. Lee kicks it out to the corner. There's still 4 seconds. He drives. Good patience, good poise. The calm under pressure. And that'll be it for the third quarter. Waitakere West. Kei mua rātou I tēnei wā whitu tekau mā whā. I te whitu tekau mātai. Nā mahuki mai tātou mā e whakahono ai ki tēnei pāpāhotanga whakaata Māori. O tēnei te kēmu whakamutinga o te rangi nei. O te wahanga o te rōpu o ngā tamatoa. Te rōpu namarua. Pool B. Waitakere West. Me Tauranga. E tākaro ana. Ki mua te aroaro. Tēnei wā kei runga Waitakere West. Whitu tekau mā whā ki te whitu tekau mā tahi. Hara, no reira, te rāpea ko tēnei, ko enei ngā piro tuatahi o te wāhanga whakamitinga nei. Ko mahu e te kuru tuatahi. So a foul to start off the match, and it's Strolga who will go to the line, and he's had a really strong match, Strolga. The power, the strength, has been hard to contain for Tauranga. Here's Bennett. Bennett, he glides all the way in with a reverse layup. McIntyre, double team. Cooper. Little ball fake, puts it up. Oh, it just pops out. Got a foul on the way. Some contact there, so he'll go to the line for two. A couple of early fouls here from Tauranga in this fourth and final quarter. So score 74-70, Waitakere West. Tauranga now. Fawn gives it out to Masters. Masters drives, puts it up, the right hand, no good. Offensive rebound, picked up beautifully by Matt Goodwin, who nails the shot. So now the deficit's down to two. Turned over. Here's Masters. Euro stab, gets it. Reverse layup. .74 all. Tauranga well and truly back in this. Cooper. Spin move. Cooper into the paint. Kicks it out. Three ball, no good. It's a good pass. Oh, can't drop. Good defense down there. Waitakere West. It's still alive. Cooper. Another long range shot. It's popped out. Cooper will get the rebound, but a foul's been called. What an action-packed passage of play that was. I've almost lost my voice. It'll be Tauranga ball after all of that. Mai te taha. Li tēnei. Neke whakamuana, te wakapoto, ke reira te poro, Masters. Nice little ball there, the floater, one hand is good. Oh, they've all got the hot hand, Tauranga. All of a sudden as they take the lead, they retake the lead, I should say. Cooper, bounce pass is good to Hakaroia. Hakaroia puts his back into it, drives, almost a double team, spin move there, well covered, good defense, puts the pass away to the far corner. 4 seconds remaining. Hakaroia with the long shot. Bit of contact on the way. And yes, he hara tēnā. A foul's been called. E toru ngā kuru. E whai ake nei. So he'll go to the line for 3 shots. He's fouled beyond the 3-point line. Gets the first, so an opportunity now to level the scores. 2 minutes e toi ana I tēnei wāhanga whakamutunga. We've already seen one match this afternoon go into overtime. Gets the second, so we're all level. So this third free throw for Waitakere West to take the lead. Oh, in and out. But who's got it? Waitakere West get it back. Huge play. Oh! That's Liam Kent at his best. Just like that. Extending the lead by 2. 78-76. Tauranga want the lead back. It's short. Waitakere West now have a chance to extend things. Cooper behind the back pass. Just caught it nicely. Cooper will go all the way. It drops in. No foul called. Waru te kau ki te whitu te kau mauno. Kei mua Waitakere West I tēnei wā. Tauranga, he kuru whiwhi toru, Kao Potorawa. Kua huri e nei, the fast break is on. And yes, Hakaraia gets it. And a timeout's been called. Kei runga, Waitakere West. Waru Takau Marua ki te whitu Takau Māori. A 6-point buffer for Waitakere West as both sides regroup to discuss what the final 6 minutes has in store. Tauranga te poro, e kora te arai a Waitakere West. But away they go, it's been stripped away. Now Waitakere West slow it down, Hakaraia. There's Cooper. Kicks it back out, looking for options to go across court. 3 seconds to get it up. There's Schwalger, puts it up, yep, gets it. And he's fouled on the way, and he's loving it, he's pumped. Schwalger will go to the line yet again. Ehinga wā, ko haere a Schwalger ki te rārangi pero. Ka harawa ia ki raro I te pākete. Oh, yes, gets the free throw too. A 9-point lead. Pretty sure that's close to the biggest lead Waitakere West have had this whole match. Nice fake. And driving to the basket there. Xiao Gao. Tauranga needed that. They've gone cold there for a moment. Hakaraia still going, kicks it out. And Cooper again, it's another three. He's on fire from long range. And a 10-point buffer now for Waitakere West. That three-point attempt was no good. Good hustle down low there by McIntyre. Oh, almost backcourt violation. Hakaraia, very lucky. Waitakere West Cooper. Nice crossover. He'll have another shot from way out. No good. Offensive rebound picked up nicely and converting and finishing beautifully is McIntyre. Lee. To the left. Driving hard and Xiao Gao. But a travel's called. Waitakere West are finishing this match very strongly. 12-point lead, the biggest of the match so far. Rema miniti e toi ana, tēnei kēmu. Te rere kētanga. Wēnei, kape e rua ko te tekau mārua, piro. Full court press deployed by Tauranga. Fatigue well and truly setting in. There's Kent. Out to McIntyre. Back to Kent. Kent drives. He's got support with him if he needs it, but he doesn't. Kent, it drops in. A 14-point lead now. Just like that, Mackay. Spin move, drives, blocked. Waitakere West supporters out here in full voice. McIntyre draws the foul. Oh no, it's out of bounds, so Waitakere West will still retain possession here. Far Minitia Toiana. And a timeout has been called yet again. Ngā kapa e rua ki te kōtine. And a nice ball to Schroger. Another foul here. Schroger has been very good, especially at the free throw line. Hasn't missed many, if any. He gets both. So 16-point lead for Waitakere West. And with 4 minutes to go, that's going to be very difficult to overturn, but we've seen a lot from this Tauranga side in this match, and we've seen how quickly leads have changed, even in the space of a couple of minutes. Driving it is Mackay. That's missed. He gets it back, Mackay. Gives it out to Pene. Now it's there for Zhao Gao. 4 seconds on the clock. Nice little fake. Puts it up. It's missed. Oh, it's a travel. Travel's been called. Waitakere West will have possession. Surely they'll see this as an opportunity now to just slow things down a little bit. It's not really in their nature, is it? Away they go. And that was just a little bit too easy there. Floater. Turned over. Tauranga still fighting hard for position. Waitakere West now stripped away, but a foul has been called. They're in the bonus. Waitakere West. Liam Kent to the line. Tēnei a Tauranga. Ne ki te poro, ki te Pākete nei, engari, ko mahu e tērā. Tēnei a Waitakere West. Ko pau te hau o ngā kapa e rua. 3 miniti e toi ana. Ka pitaatu te poro ki te kokonga. Ko tēnei a Malaysia. E kaha kōkiri ana ki te Pākete, engari ko pita te poro ki waho. Foul has been called and Malaysia will go to the line. That's good. So they hit the 100 by Takere West. 22-point lead. There's another foul. Tauranga from the corner, no good. Well, Makariri rawa, a Tauranga. And just coasting on through. Nicely done for Malaysia. Tauranga will look to try and finish strong here. Haven't scored in a while. And that's no good either. So Malaysia has possession. And a foul. This one could go to the line again. So a number of fouls here in the last few minutes. They're already in the bonus, so Tauranga really can't afford to foul. It'll be Ahing to the line for 2 free throws. Gets the first. Here's Tauranga. Goes down low, kicks it out to Fraser. He'll have a shot on the way out. No good. Malaysia. Gives it out to Kent. Kent gives it to Malaysia. He looked at the basket for a moment there, kicks it out now to Ahing. 3-point shot. Another foul is called. Well, it's foul central at the moment. A lot of contact being made down there with a minute and a bit remaining. Waitakere West will win this. They're up 102 to 78. McDade down the line. Tauranga have possession. First layup doesn't drop. Malaysia, 1.5 minutes to go. Drives to the line. Puts it up. So Tauranga, they've shown a lot of promise in this match. They'll take a lot from this match. They've just fallen away in the back half of the fourth quarter as that 3-point shot is successful. Edu Nicholas. Waitakere West have shown got a lot of fitness in them, and they can play the full match on offense and defense, and they'll be hard to beat in this competition. It's the final match of day one, and a nice circus shot there by Eru Nicholas. Goes back to back for Tauranga. As you can see, all the other matches have finished up for the day on the other courts. It's been buzzing with all sorts of action today. Look forward to day two tomorrow of this 4-day competition. Counting down now, only 1 second remaining. And ko mai takere wesi ngā toa tēnei kiem. Ko rātou ngā toa tahi rau mā whitu ki te kore. Tau mātua. Thank you everybody for joining us on day one. Kia mautonu mai, hoki mai a popo for day two of this New Zealand Under-18 Basketball Nationals for 2026.
This is an opportunity that we can't pass on.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau, kua uru mai koe.
Hey, atana koe.
Tō mātou reo.
Kia au te MāORI, kia au.
Tō mātou tuku hohe. Tō mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Pai out here.
Ko tahi atu. Me haro. Hey! Tahi, rua, toru. Kuina ke te tāhi.
E whakapono ana hau, ma'angi hei tohu te ao.
Me haro. Ka rawe. Ki te mahi taki mātai, ka tēnā. Te tika, pakātu mai tō taha. Mahi tika ana.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha i taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whia ko Pauri hei whakamana i taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.